Hello all, this is Naresh. In this video, I am going to speak a few words about the pdca cycle. It is very important cycle in quality control. PDCA is plan, do, check and act strategy. Coming to the plan phase, in this phase, the problems are identified by using several techniques like cause and effect diagrams, flow charts, Pareto analysis, and brainstorming, and some other techniques which will be covered later in the slides. And these problems are identified and the solutions are to be designed. And the do phase, in the do phase, the changes that are designed on the plan phase are implemented on a very small scale only, because this may cause problem to the batches if they are produced in large scale. So they educate, train and also communicate among the workers in the do phase. Now check phase. In the check phase, they monitor the effect of the implementation of the project plan and also find the measures if there are any required to improve the solution. Now act phase, they implement the changes on a large scale if the entire experiment that is done using the plan, do and check phases solution strategies. If they are successful only, the act phase is carried on, and also if the process needs further PDCA cycles, then they are carried out. And these are the techniques that are used to find the problems in the plan phase and also do the required improvements in the do phase, and checklists in the C phase and also the act phase. Brainstorming, cause and effect, check sheets, Pareto analysis, concentration diagrams, process flow charts, performance measuring, 5 whys and 5 whats, paired comparisons, impact diagrams, force fit analysis, solution effect diagram, scheduler project plan, and also failure prevention analysis. Now coming to the case study which uses the PDCA to implement its quality and to improve its quality performance is the company called Medtronic's Neuromodulation. Those produce some syringes and some equipment required in the hospitals. And they use the PDCA cycle for improving their suppliers' performance. Of course, they use the different quality tools for improving their sales, but they essentially use the PDCA cycle, especially use the PDCA cycle to improve the supplier's quality. How PDCA help neuro? Suppliers are the STA agencies and also TSC agency. And in the plan phase, the team selects the suppliers. The Medtronic lean change agent and supply team will develop a scope A3 defining the problem, targets, strategy, implementation timeline, and needed resources. The scope A3 is supported by data the team acquires through observation and measurement as it works to understand current conditions. Do phase. As I told you earlier, do phase is done only on the small scale because this phase is like launching a rocket. Before the actual launch date, many tests and simulations are conducted in stages to achieve a flawless launch. The improvement team built with the first simulated assembly cell using cafeteria tables, lunch trays, and cardboard, but the real parts were used to improve the concept. Then operators ran the simulated cell, offering improvement ideas. Operators made suggestions to improve station dimensions, part container flow, and scrap handling. Because of that, the team eliminated 3 workstations so that this reduced the cost also. And in check phase, they reviewed the basic thinking and strategy. They checked the performance. Check phase is mainly meant for checking the performance. This is what they review and run to a level schedule, develop real-time problem solving, develop visual studies of production, built in single piece flow. And Kimishimi board, this is the board displayed in everywhere where the workers can look at it. This board displays the works to be done on the first column, and also the first row represents the time to time analysis. These are the boxes that are to be filled by the end of the day. Circle represents that right quality is being performed, and the triangle represents that abnormality is produced but no need of any improvement checkings, and the cross represents abnormalities observed and there is a necessity to improve the quality. If the white box represents that the team did not support the process for that particular time. And act phase. In act phase, Medtronic's purchasing group will review continuous improvement performance with ESC, and it also repeats the PDCA cycle if it is necessary. Thank you.